it smells good. Ah! Gotta fight these urgents! Dude, why is there a rat smoking cocaine in here? I think it passed out. I gotta put it in the cage. Where the fuck did you get that cheese? Up your ass. What? Oh my god, look at this mess of cocaine you did. I'm gonna try that cheese. No one. Hey! Hey! Sorry, we had an incident. Meanwhile, with Chef Pee-Pee and Ratatouille. Ah! Are you just making out with me? Are you making out with a rat? What? What's the ending of this? I don't know. That's it. I'm gonna feed you to Junior's pet, Chompy. Even though we don't even have Chompy. I sold him for $1,000. Oh, if you love cheese so much, then eat this. Eat this. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat the cheese. Eat the cheese. Eat it. Eat the cheese. Eat the cheese. Eat the cheese. Eat the... What the fuck? Wait, where are you going? This cheese is pretty good. So good. Oh, so good. No wonder rats like it. Let me drink some of my soup. Is this the ending? Is this the ending? Yes?
I don't know.
Hey! Get out of my fridge, you piece of...
If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Or else I'll go in your house and murder your ass.
What?
Yes. Like and subscribe.
No, don't say that.
You're next.
Don't say that. You